Hey everybody, Dashboard here, and it's time for Car Show Cam. And this week we went out to the Folkston Food and Fancy Car Friday Market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Well, they got a restaurant there.
Yeah. You ain't coming? No? Okay. Here.
I can't get it, dear. Can't get it.
Alright, I'll spin around now.
But I managed to turn it on. Oh, there's the ribbon. There's another. They're all showing up now. It's raining. Or it's fixing to. Old Mustang.
Well, I can circle back.
It's up to you, dude.
In fact, I think I will. I may just back into one of the spots across from them. Jeez, can you come slower?
They're turning.
Oh, and there's a handicap spot right there I can back into.
Where?
Right there.
Or just pull up and pull into that first one, you know. Or you wanting to back in?
I want to back in so my camera can...
Oh, okay. Go down and come back and then back in.
Well, how about... I got it. I'll pull up here and then back in right there.
Yeah. Yeah, pull it like that and then just... Yeah. That's good. Cut it.
I got it. Curb.
Yeah. Now, do you want me to go take pictures?
Yeah.
With my... I'm gonna need more cards. I got enough. I gave everybody cards.
Okay.
Ain't nice. Receptive for your cards too. This may be it.
Yeah.
That used to be a dress store.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gee, they're gonna get wet. I saw something hanging in one of these windows. I think it was further up though. It was a
Strike a pose.
Mhm.
He's taking them pictures the wrong way.
You know that, and I know that, but you can't tell people that. Yeah.
I ain't cranked up yet.
Yeah. It's starting to lighten. It's time to go.
Alright.
Yeah.
Finger.
Yeah, shit. Oops. Okay, keep going. Keep going. That's a donkey in the back of that truck. Yeah. Go, Raj.
I've seen him. He's been in Callahan before.
Yeah. Yeah.
Finger.
Yeah, that's it.
You need to hold your phone like this.
I try, dear. Yeah. Yep, time to go home. You can just go that way.
Well, I was going to go down there, turn around, come back out.
Alright. Well, you can, most of them you can edit out my finger. Yeah, that's a donkey. And it says, just hauling
Ass.
a little ass.
Mm-hmm.
Got a jug back there, too. I need to go in there and delete some pictures. Yeah, there weren't no cars down there.
No, there's those two there, but I can't get those.
Yeah.
We got a limited clear coming from that way.
So.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.